Hi guys, in this video, I will help you understand the inbound route dial patterns of the P-series PBS. When a SIP call comes in, PBS will compare the code number with the DID number or DID pattern in the inbound route. If it matches, it will come in. If not, it will go through the inbound list and check one by one. Yes-Star P-series PBS provides 3 DID matching modes to help you route inbound calls based on DID numbers. They are match DID range to extension range, match DID pattern to extensions, and DID pattern. Let me give configuration examples to describe it one by one. Mode 1. Match DID range to extension range, which is matching DID range and extension range in one-to-one correspondence. For example, Company A purchases a SIP trunk and gets 10 DID numbers that are in order from @@23201 to @@23210. And the company wants to redirect inbound calls to specific extensions based on provided DID numbers as this. Then we can set the inbound route. Add the inbound route. Then set DID matching mode to match DID range to extension range. Then enter the start number and the end number of the DID range. In this scenario, enter @@23201 and @@23210. Then leave the caller ID pattern blank and select the trunk that bounds the DID numbers. Then select Match Extension Range on the default destination part. And enter extension range. Save and apply changes. With this setting, if an external user dials @@23201, the call goes to extension 1001 directly. If the external user dials @@23202, the call goes to extension 1002 directly. Mode 2. Match DID pattern to extensions, which is using a variable double open curly dot capital letter E, lower case letter XT, and a double close curly to match extension number in a DID pattern. For example, Company A purchases a SIP trunk and gets 3 DID numbers: @@21001, @@21006, and @@21016. The company wants to redirect inbound calls to specific extension based on the provided DID numbers, like this. Then we can set DID matching mode with match DID pattern to extensions. Then enter the DID pattern according to the provided DIDs. In this scenario, enter @@2 double open curly, dot, capital letter E, lowercase letter xt, double close curly. In this window, the wildcard dot and exclamation mark are not allowed. Then leave the caller ID pattern blank and select the trunk that bounds the DID numbers. Then select Match Selected Extension on the default destination part. In this scenario, select 1001, 1006, 1016. Save and apply changes. With this setting, if an external user dials to 1001, the call goes to extension 1001 directly. If an external user dials to 1006, the call goes to extension 1006 directly. Mode 3, DID pattern, which is matching the defined DID, will be routed to a defined destination. For example, Company A purchases a SIP trunk and gets 1 DID numbers, 8765808. The company wants to assign an incoming call to a support team. Then we can set DID matching mode with DID pattern. Click Add and enter the DID pattern. In this scenario, enter 8765808. Then leave the caller ID pattern blank and select the trunk that bounds the DID numbers. Then select the support team on the default destination part. Save and apply changes. With this setting, when an external user dials 8765808, the call goes to the queue of the support team.